Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today videos we are going to see that how I decorated my ma puja asan. So first I took the chart paper and I just taken one asan, then I put it on the asan that I have, then I take an easel stand, and this is the one art that I have created. And then I also painted the kalash. In India it is called kalash, and basically a pot. And then I also have taken one plate. I make the design on it through like after taking the paint and some of the mirror that I have posted over here to get it a very glittery look. So this is how I painted it. And then I also painted one handmade like diya. So basically in Indian culture we used to lit this diya in the front of God. So this is how again I painted it with the some of the vibrant colors and put some. Yeah, so this is my Durga Ma thali where I have put it all my stuff, and then I just decorated it. You can see here fruits, everything here, and this is how I celebrated my Navratri. I hope you all are good. So please enjoy your Navratri. Thank you. Bye bye.